How to save a post on Reddit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now scroll down and tap on the post that you want to save. Further, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, you will see the Save option. So, tap on the Save option, and with this, the post will be saved. And now, if you want to view your saved post, then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and you will then see the option for Saved. Tap on that, and in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to see all the posts that you have saved on Reddit. So, this is how you can save a post on Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.